and I don't eat meat, I'm giving you all the workout. This is the Rockstar workout. Okay? This is what I do. This is my gym. You alpha males out there in the gym, eating your meat, making fun of vegans. Some vegans can be rude because we're skinny. I'm ripped though. All right, now I'm gonna go on this hill. Okay? And where you women at? That want an earthling. You're all going after the alpha male, the chicken and beef eating and pork. Come on, guys. And now for the grand finale. This is my routine. I challenge you protein people to do all this. Then I go in my apartment and do a yoga handstand on what? Rocks. No gym here. All this in one day. Boom. Here we go. The grand finale. Pardon me. You can't see the rocks, really. Lord have mercy. All right, let's do it here. All right, here we go. Get it done, Jay. I gotta go to work soon. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! Rockstar. Okay? Step your game up, workout people. Woo! Watch all my videos. I dedicate all that to the light that's come out of my body. Going viral on TikTok. I'm grateful to anyone who's broken and has been motivated. I don't read comments. Email me. rawzen617@gmail.com. Facebook, JHERUSSELL. YouTube, RAW space ZEN. I also do name decodes for donations because we gotta eat. If you're interested, Send me a message. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Wow. Much love to all.